Hey everyone, welcome back. If you see a network or a connection error in the Westpac app, first confirm that your internet is working by opening any other website or app. Then swipe down from your screen, turn the airplane mode on for a few seconds, wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off. This will reset your network. Then, if you're on Wi Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. If you're not able to do so, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then restart your phone and open the app again. If the error continues, check if the Westpac app is experiencing a temporary service outage, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.